Having many projects to get completed, my requirement is sky high. What would I do now? Whom to contact? Our regular suppliers were filled with loads of work. That too in this pandemic.
Oh God, when will I get a job? My machines and I were idle for a long time. How will I pay my EMIs? How do I meet my basic amenities? This pandemic is devastating.
Dear both, we are here to fulfill your desires. B2E Hub is a reverse auction platform wherein it acts as a bridge between the customers and the suppliers targeting the manufacturing industries.
Are you joking?
Of course not. Well, there are many customers like you in the market, looking for trustworthy suppliers to get their projects done. At the same time, there are a lot of suppliers like you who were idle and jobless. Once you get registered with b2ehub.com, all your requirements would be balanced. You all can register either as customer or supplier, or as both if you have a valid GST.
How?
Let me explain in detail. Sharpen your ears, this will change your life. The registered customers will be eligible for posting their projects, and the suppliers can start bidding for projects, subject to the activation of membership plans, respectively.
Membership plans. Oh, you take money from us, that's not good. We are all struggling.
Calm down, folks. Yet to complete. We assure you that the membership plan is easily affordable by all. It is as a cup of tea daily. There are lots of opportunities to grab million-dollar projects.
Wow, that sounds great. Yeah, I'm in.
I'm in as well.
We are all in.
Customer post their projects, based on their predefined location. Suppliers receive the projects, and they all have time to study the projects and derive the cost and awaits the bidding time to start. All suppliers participate actively in the bidding, comparing with their competitive players in the stipulated bid time. Customers receive the requested number of suppliers contact, and their bid amount. Customers calls the deserving suppliers and finalize the projects. Suppliers receive notifications on the status of the bidding, such as overrated, underrated, shortlisted, selected. Suppliers' selection is based on the customer's yardsticks. Thank you guys. Sign up and get unlimited benefits.